listening? Damn.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the 508. My name is Pete. They call me Scooby. Why do they call me Scooby? Because I like to snack. Yeah, we're gonna go get some snacks. I'm starving. I'm gonna pull over here. I'm gonna go to Cumberland Farms and grab a snack. Hi, good, you?
Anything else?
Nope, that's it. Have a good one.
Thank you.
These cookies are awesome. I'm glad to see there's a lot more people riding with full face helmets. This exhaust sounds so mean. You guys pick that up? So, I think we're both healthy. Look at these two guys. Side by side. That guy's not wearing a helmet. Huh. Doesn't he know that's illegal in Massachusetts? I'm on the Mustang suit, boys! That exhaust, man. Wow. Like before, I'd have to ride with my bike in a lower gear so I can hear the exhaust. Not hear it, but make it satisfying me. You know what I mean? I don't know. I'll go up this way. Look at that, third gear. I was down at 20 miles an hour, and I could hear the exhaust. You hear that exhaust? That thing's badass. I actually want to put the GoPro near the exhaust. And I'm not going to do it over here. I got to find a nice road to do it on. And I have the perfect place in mind. No, Austin, I can't do wheelies for you. Stop asking for wheelies. Anyway, Austin, I hope you're doing well, buddy. How do you like this pipe, huh? So I hope everybody out there is staying safe with this COVID-19 coronavirus thing. Check out the pipes, huh? Those things are looking sweet. I love that gold color. So today we're going to be doing what I'm going to call shut up and listen. What I mean by that is just going to give you guys some different sound clips of the bike. But this thing is such a freaking badass bike, man. There's a lot of people here. I wasn't expecting all these people here. Guys, I want to plan on dropping off the GoPro somewhere so I can do a drive-by. Whoop, cop over there. 20 miles an hour. Keep it slow. Low and slow. Oh, I'm going to set the camera up right there. What was that, Pete? Almost dropped the bike. That thing's such a badass seat. There's the pipes, man. That's from rubbing up on my pants. I don't have the heat shields They haven't sent me the heat shields yet. They're waiting on their supplier to send it. Well, to make the brackets, that's what they told me. They're waiting for their supplier to make the brackets. Once they make the brackets, they'll send me the heat shields. And I could, as you can tell, I could really use some heat shields. Because come summertime, when it's hot, and the bike temperature goes up, I'm sure my pants are going to go up. Speaking of my pants, huh? Got a little camo going with my work boots. Yeah, those bars, they feel amazing. Amazing, these bars feel. I love the way they look, they feel. I do like the fairing to a certain point. I love having the fairing. I don't love having this fairing. We'll see what the future brings. I was thinking about putting a sissy bar. What do you guys think? I was thinking about getting a sissy bar. I don't know if I should go with a pointy one or a flat one. I was kind of thinking of a flat one. And my selfie stick just broke. There goes that shot.
There we go.
It's a hot spot for police officers. There you have it, boys and girls. First one was a slow takeoff. Normal, I would say. The second one was a slightly accelerated takeoff. Keep in mind, I am in public, so I got to keep it legal. And hope you all enjoyed this content. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for future content, because I'll talk to you guys in the next one.